I like having fried eggs, and so to make them in my microwave, I have a special container. I warm it a bit, apply some oil, and then put eggs in there and toss it all back in the microwave, and we shall have a fried egg. I've forgotten how long it takes, so just give it 2 minutes and see if we need more time. For oil, I use this container, Misto. Essentially, um, it's a container where you can pour the oil and then pressurize it when you need it, and when you don't, you release the pressure, and essentially you don't worry about a pressurized container in your car. I'm getting curious. I'll just open and see how it's coming along. As you can see, it is coming along fine. Definitely need more time. So we'll keep going. In this piece that I was stowing above the microwave, I have all the spices I need, other knickknacks, spoons, disposable spoons, stuff, jam, tea, coffee, everything, snacks. I don't think it'll be done now. Let's still see. It is coming along nicely. You can hear it too. I think another 30 seconds should be done. Of course, there's a bigger bowl, so the egg white sort of spreads all over. If you like to keep it together, you can buy some sort of silicone ring to keep it all close together. Just a little more, and then it should be good. I do eat eggs over easy, so I don't like to fry it too much.